This is high performance flavour. It's street food in your own backyard. So let's drive into it. This is 100% high octane flavour.
The styling is unmistakably Italian. The unique lines of the bodywork in cool ciabatta. Under the hood, crushed baby potatoes flavoured with cowboy butter and slathered in melted cheese. A nod to the healthy Mediterranean heritage with fresh salad. At its very heart, the driving force, lamb smash koftas. For the lubrication, hot honey and mustard sauce.
This is high performance food, designed for the ultimate taste. Guaranteed to drive your taste buds wild. Now, I'm off to make this bad beast. Out here, the Weber Q is fired up and ready to go.
In pole position on the starting grid, baby potatoes. These potatoes are so versatile, I'm simply cutting them in half. I really wish they were Jersey Royals, with that lovely nutty taste. But as their season finished in June, I'm happy to make do with these. With them all halved, they're into a bowl. A splash of olive oil, followed by a grind of black pepper and a sprinkling of sea salt. Now give them all a good swirl to coat with oil and seasoning. It's into a hot veg basket and they're off to a great sizzle. Make sure they're all skin side down. This stops them from sticking. Close the lid. I'm throttling down the power and letting them cook for about 7 minutes. Now turn them cut side down, cooking for another 7 minutes. And before you know it, it's time for the fork test. And yes, those are cooked, and it's off the grill. I'll be needing the warming rack, so get it into position and throttle the power back up to full. Tip the potatoes onto a cutting board, make sure they're all cut side down, and with the base of a cast iron pan, crush them. Squash them a bit more with a fork, not too much though. Transfer them to an oven-proof dish. Sprinkle generously with cheese. Add a knob of cowboy butter. This is going to supercharge the flavour. Pop them onto the warming rack and leave them ticking over. Now for the sauce. From start to finish in seconds. To a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of honey, plus a half a tablespoon of Tabasco, more if you like it hot. Give it all a whisk to combine. It's a bit thin, so I'm adding 1 tablespoon of plain Greek yogurt. Another whisk. Job done. I usually make my own, but today I'm feeling lazy. So I'm cooking these supermarket Lamb Koftas shish kebabs. Once the pack is open, I'm using just 2 of them. Remove the skewers. With the cutting board on a firm table, place a kofta on the board and smash it with the base of a cast iron pan. Smash it again until you have a nice thin patty. Slap them onto a very hot griddle. They'll be smoking as the heat greets the meat. Put the 2 ciabatta halves onto toast. Don't close the lid, this is cooking in the fast lane. Give them a flip. Get the bread off, get the pâtés off, get it all off. Here's the assembly line. First on the toast, crushed potato. I really wished you could smell this. It's a nod to healthy eating with salad leaves and tomato slices. 2 lamb smash koftas. And finally, a drenching in hot honey and mustard sauce. My mouth's watering already. And that, folks, is my Lamb-Burgini.
So you want all the lowdown, all the info on this beast and my channel? Then click that button. Activate and ding the bell. And say it as it is in the community box below. Stand by, here's the recipe recap. I'd love to share this with you, but I'm not going to. I'm going to eat it all myself. It gets your taste buds racing and leaves you wanting more, but you're going to need a big appetite to handle this beast. Before you go, give us a thumbs up. Smash that button and sub the channel. And join me next time for some great cooking on the barbecue walk of flame. So from me, the old geezer at the grill, it's goodbye, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.